Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we're looking at a criminal case called State versus Boston. Here, the appellate court determined that a car passenger can't be demanded for ID if they say they don't have a driver's license and there's no belief they did nothing wrong. So, the court was asked on appeal to decide that when the driver is arrested, is it reasonable to ask the passenger for his license, but not for further ID when he fails to produce a driver's license? So, the defendant, Boston, was convicted of possession of cocaine following a routine traffic stop on the way home from the movies with his wife and children. He contended the police unlawfully asked him, as a front seat passenger in his wife's car, to hand over his state identification card after he told them he did not have a driver's license. The appellate court agreed and concluded the defendant's subsequent arrest on an open traffic warrant was unlawful, and the drugs seized during the ensuing search incident to his arrest should have been excluded at trial. The appellate court held in a routine traffic stop where the driver has been arrested on an open traffic warrant, the officer asking the passenger whether or not they're a licensed driver is reasonable. However, when the passenger claims they do not possess a driver's license, the officer's further demand for identification from an unlicensed driver in the absence of a particularized suspicion is not reasonable. And that's State versus Boston. For other information on criminal cases, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. That's B-E, not guilty. And for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500.